There's ROCKSTEADY at King of the Pit TV.
Bless now. Do not forget the rest now, people. There's ROCKSTEADY, King of the Pit TV. We're listening to Demolition Hammer, the record Tortured Existence by Demolition Hammer, as recommended by TrevNev11 on the Patreon. This one's got a music video. Let's go. Infectious Hospital Waste. For the mopheads out there, come on now. Where we at, mopheads? Here we go. Skanking. Oh, a little bit of a porn groove coming on now, come on. Ignorant. Yes. Burner. Come on now, people. Bow. Rock on, people. Come on now. I mean, we're not at the end of the track. There might be a ridiculous riff coming up, but I'm going to say this is the second best track on the record so far. Second. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. That's the first bit of solo bass work I've heard ever by this band. Great outro, great outro. That was fantastic. That was really good. That was really good. That was the second best track on the record so far. Track number 3 was the best one, let's be real. But there's right little skank, little push party going on in there. Little mosh pit toe tap. I like that one. Hydrophobia. Cool, yeah. I wish I had some Pringles, not gonna lie to you.